I went to Central Park yesterday. Of course, it wasn't my first time to go there. I have been there many times. I went to Central Park. I have been to Central Park. Let's take a look at these two grammar patterns. I went to Central Park. This grammar is called the simple past tense, and we use this grammar when we talk about a completed action at a particular point in the past. I went to Central Park yesterday. I ate lunch with Jenny today. I really enjoyed my Japanese lesson with Sayaka-sensei this afternoon. You'll notice with these examples that we know exactly when that completed action happened. I went to Central Park yesterday. I had lunch with Jenny today. I enjoyed my Japanese lesson with Sayaka this afternoon. That's how the simple past works. Next, let's have a look at the present perfect tense. I have been to Central Park. This grammar is formed by using have followed by the past participle form of the verb. A basic example of this pattern is like this. I work, I worked, I have worked. I buy, I bought, I have bought. I eat, I ate, I have eaten. When we use this grammar, we are talking about our experience sometime in the past. I have been to Central Park many times. Unlike the simple past, I didn't mention when I went to Central Park, just the fact that in the past, I had that experience. I have been to Central Park many times. My favorite movie is Casablanca. I have seen that movie more than 10 times. Joe has never been to New York City. When you want to ask someone about their experience, you can use have you ever followed by the past participle verb. Have you ever been to New York City? Have you ever eaten escargot? Have you ever gone skydiving? When someone asks you, have you ever, there are two ways that you can answer. Have you ever been to New York? Yes, I have. I went there in 2020. Have you ever been to New York? No, I haven't, but I would love to go there someday. As you can see, it's pretty common to answer a question like this with more than just a yes or no answer. Have you ever eaten escargot? Yes, I have. It was really tasty. Have you ever gone skydiving? No, I haven't. That sounds dangerous to me. The other way that we use the present perfect is to talk about something that started in the past and continues to the present. When we use the present perfect tense this way, we generally use for or since. I have played the guitar since I was a child. This means that I started playing the guitar when I was a child, and I still play the guitar now. Terry has been in New York for 9 months. It means 9 months ago Terry arrived here and he is still here. Keep in mind we use for followed by a time period. For a month, for 2 years, for my whole life. We use since followed by one point in time. Since last month, since 2020, since I was born. If you want to ask someone with this topic, you can ask, how long have you, followed by the past participle verb. How long have you lived in New York? How long have you been married? How long have you worked in this company? That's the basic idea of how we use the present perfect tense in American English. Keep in mind, the best way to remember this grammar or any other word or phrase in English is to take that grammar, word, or phrase, write it in a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. And feel free to write your example sentences in the comments below this video. Remember, learning another language is not easy, but it's not impossible, and I'm here to help you on your journey.